frisky little variation, which is played predominantly here at the frog. So that requires a certain technique improvement. Thumb becomes extremely important. Of course, it always is, but here is even more so. Of course, the pinky is doing a lot of heavy lifting here, really doing a lot of lion's share of work. So the pinky must just be spot on. You must really think about what the pinky is doing, how are you engaging it, and what is the process. So question things. Question as you play this, watch yourself in the mirror, make recordings, and really try to analyze how are you learning this. This is a really good idea. It's a wonderful variation to try and learn retakes, and you're dealing with both. You're doing up bow retakes as well as down bow retakes, and they have to happen really quick. So you have to be short notes, but very organized and very rhythmical. So just that takes a little while to kind of get used to if you've never done this before. But of course, if you're a more advanced player, then it's not very difficult for you. Then you shouldn't spend a lot of time on this. Anyway, nonetheless, it's a quick and easy little variation. Very similar idea. So you have section A, section B, and section C. Section A and section C are very much alike with a slightly different ending, but section B is different. The heart of the variation is different, so that requires a different approach. So when you're practicing this, be smart and separate this into 3 sections. Each is 8 measures long, and do it like that. This will really help you progress faster, and it's the same strategy you can apply to all of these variations. I highly recommend it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I invite you to visit my website where you can find more information about the violin lessons I teach online. Thank you for watching, guys.